Hello everyone, this is Ian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, magbaband feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang Verdugo, isang death metal band. At alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang musika. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go!
Verdugo is a death metal band from Taguig and Cavite, formed in early 2000s, obtaining to have an old school sound. Their songs about death, relentless killing, chaos, hate, anti-human, and suffering. Their songs inspired from Cannibal Corpse, 6 Feet Under, Napalm Death, B-side, Dismember, Death, etc. The band composed of Ian Cabias on drums, Dime Gab Diaz on guitar, Raymond Monteser on guitar, Heads Alcoba on bass, and Rayan on vocals.
So nakilala ko ang bandang Verdugo sa event namin sa Musika Patiran sa No Exit last year. Dito ko nakilala si Rayan at mga tropa at masasabi ko yung kanilang musika ay metal at napakabigat. So I want to share this live performance ng kanilang performance. So I hope you like this video. And that was Verdugo's live performance. So overall, ang masasabi ko sa bandang to ay napaka-solid sa kabigatan. Shoutout kay Rian sa bumubuo ng bandang Verdugo, napaka-solid yun. At yung growls talaga napakalupit. Naaalala ko doon si Corpse Grinder ng Cannibal Corpse. Talagang nagdi-drill in sa mind ko yung growls at napaka-solid. Yung rips, panalo-panalo din. Ang bigat at saka talagang in your face yung tugtugan ng pagka-metal nila. Napakagaling. And ayun, ang masasabi ko lang dito, no, suportahan nyo ang local scene. If you want to look ng mabigat na metal band at kung naghahanap kayo ng rage, then check out Verdugo. Napaka-solid yan talaga. Mga solid na tropa yan. Madalas silang tumutugtog sa underground gigs, kaya check out nyo ang bandang Verdugo. Let's check out mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today. And let me know in the comment section sa anong masasabi nyo sa bandang Verdugo. Feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Ian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!